Hello guys, today our friends of Grindr have sent us this 40-inch desk. This is a modern looking desk. Let's unbox it and let me show you how it looks. Inside the box, we're going to be included with this red string. This is going to come attached to all the hardware that we're going to need to construct our computer desk. We're also going to be included with this instruction manual. We're going to be putting this desk in 4 simple steps. This desk is going to include these leveling legs. These leveling legs is going to give the desk more stability and also the ability for you to level it to any flooring and to any surface. Everything's going to be pre-drilled and pre-installed, so that way you just have to tighten the screws. You will also get these supports that are going to get installed in these corners. This is going to get a better stability for the table, and it's also going to give it a better support. Okay guys, so we're completely done. The table looks beautiful. It is very modern looking. It's going to go with any decoration. It could go with brown. It could go with walnut. I mean, any of the darker and lighter colors will actually match a black. There's also other options with a wooden, piece on the top, and there's other options for white. So, I mean, whatever suits you best, just pick the right color and then build it. You're going to build it in 4 easy steps. Very easy to construct and also very stable. Now let's put all the computer equipment on top and let's get this table all set up. The sturdy metal frame ensures stability and adds a modern industrial look. The surface is made out of wood, which resists scratches, stains, and daily wear for lasting quality. This modern 40-inch table definitely adds a lot of versatility since you can install it on any room and almost every space. It's so compact, but yet so wide that you can actually put 2 monitors right there. You can put your keyboard, your mouse, your microphone, and have your PC. This computer desk can actually be turned into a gaming station. It can actually be turned into a daily office, or it can just be as a stylish table. I hope that the information about this 40-inch computer desk was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you in the next video.